My current situation is sitting on the heater to keep myself a little bit warm because this is ridiculously cold in Norway, minus 15, 20, oh my god. And here I am showing you only the compass rings in 3 different color: gold, silver and black. So these rings are basically unisex. I sell to both girls and boys, and they are super happy with the design and the quality. The material is stainless steel. This is the main color, which will hold the color forever, never get black, never fade. And in gold is coated many layers. In gold color will hold the color at least for 2 years. You can wash it every day, it doesn't fade. That's my guarantee. And this is the black one, same, it doesn't fade the color. Here you can see my name brand, MARAlKUNST is my brand name that I engraved on the ring. And this is the black one. Same shape, same design, just different color based on your personality and your style. Very strong ring, huh? Look at this. Strong. Amazing. I love them. So if you are a fan of signet rings, don't forget to watch my other video that I created based on evil eye rings. Watch it and enjoy it.